Everyone, good afternoon. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. For today's vlog, I'm sharing you what is my kitty cat doing. Hazel. She's sleeping on my clothes. So, mega lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please do. Please pull the notification bell, hit all, and for more updated for the next vlog. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog, and please help me to support my YouTube channel, to visit my YouTube channel, it's Pinay Vlog of Maryland, and visit me to like, share, and subscribe, please. Very much appreciate you guys, and shout out to all the viewers, subscribers, silent viewers, silent subscribers. Hello everyone. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. It's June 12, 2024 is 12:30 p.m. here in Maryland, USA. So, afternoon here in Maryland, USA is morning, and the PI 12:30 a.m. in the PI, and I'm sure afternoon somewhere. I'm sure it's evening somewhere in the UK, wherever you are. Be safe as always. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Samantay naroon na sulog ng mundo. Ingat po tayo palagi. Is good vibes only. And be yourself and love one another. And take care and God bless you all. Is introducing my cat Hazel sleeping on my clothes. So thank you for watching everyone. God bless you all. See you again soon. It's Hazel. Sound sleep. Good night, Hazel. Good afternoon, Hazel. And good morning. Sleep tight. This is Hazel chilling on my clothes. So thank you for watching. Sleeping Beauty Hazel. Sleeping Beauty Hazel. So make a lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers, silent viewers, silent subscribers. Hello to you all. Hello everyone. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please do. And don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. Saying hello to you all and good vibes only. Be yourself and love one another. Stay humble and take care and God bless you all. So long everyone. Love you guys. Spread love. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. Love you. All the viewers, love everyone, and love one another. Thank you, and God bless you all. So long, and be safe as always. Take care, and God bless you all. Hazel, Sleeping Beauty. So, very quiet, everyone. Thank you, and God bless. See you again for the next vlog. Take care, and see you again soon. Love you guys. God bless you all. Thank you for watching.